When there are no picture of a flower blossom. No, we don't have any picture of. Now, what do? Let's go to the farm.
Put out for a day on the river.
Welcome aboard, me hearties.
Here we
Pepper,
go.
George, let's...
Captain,
Aye, Captain.
Aye, Captain.
when Captain Grandpa tells you all to do something, you must do it.
Unless it's something silly.
Captain Grandpa never says anything silly.
Of course not, Captain Grandpa.
George, raise the flag.
Blue bananas.
Grandpa, I liked it when we went fast.
Don't worry. Speed if you can, water hog. Sea dog.
Button, hold the sign. And try hard to make it
Set as
faster.
fast as you can go.
No, it's sail. Come back. Oh, no, on the side.
I win.
Oh dear, Grandpa Pig's boat has run out of petrol.
What? What do we do? Oh no, the van has deflated. I swallowed